Hello friends, welcome to today's lecture on arteriosclerosis. So this will be first lecture on arteriosclerosis. So as you know, whenever we start a new topic, first we learn about meaning of the topic or learn about the term which is new to us. So here we encounter a new term, that is arteriosclerosis, and it is made up of two parts, arterio and sclerosis. So you already know that arterio means related to artery and sclerosis means hardening. Sclerosis means hardening. So obviously from here you can understand that arteriosclerosis means hardening of arteries, and obviously it is understood that when it is hardening, it will also include nerving. So we will start today about arteriosclerosis, that is hardening and nerving of the arteries. So this now we will look at varieties of arteriosclerosis. Arteriosclerosis is actually a general and broad term, and it encompasses various varieties. So what are they? We will look about that. So you can remember the varieties by four letters: S, H, M, and A, and you can expand it further. S, from S it is senile, from H it is hypertensive, and from N it is Monkberg. I hope that I get spelling right, Monkberg. And next one is A, that is atherosclerosis. So these are four varieties of arteriosclerosis. First one is senile arteriosclerosis, second one is hypertensive arteriosclerosis, third one is Monkberg arteriosclerosis, and fourth one is atherosclerosis. So these are four varieties of arteriosclerosis. Arteriosclerosis is a broad term which encompasses different varieties. So these are four varieties, and now we will start by first variety, that is senile arteriosclerosis. So what is senile arteriosclerosis? What is the meaning of senile? You must have heard many times about this term, senile. But what actually is senile? Senile, we say that something that is degeneration due to physical or mental degeneration due to aging. Physical and mental degeneration due to aging is called as senile. So obviously you know that with increasing age there will be physical wear and tear, and also mental capacity of a person decreases. So this thing is called as senile. So from this you can understand that what is senile arteriosclerosis. Obviously it is arteriosclerosis due to aging process. It is a manifestation of aging, because for our whole life blood flows through our arteries with a force. So it exerts a force on walls of the arteries, and due to this this is a continuous process. Blood it continuously flows from birth to death. So wall of the arteries bear a force throughout the life. So due to that force there is some changes in wall of the arteries, and that is called as senile arteriosclerosis. Obviously it is due to it is a phenomena of natural aging process, and it is due to wear and tear of arteries exerted from flowing of blood through arteries. So this is first one. Now we will come to second type or second variety, that is hypertensive arteriosclerosis. So from here also you can guess that hypertensive arteriosclerosis is due to hypertension, because in hypertension force of the blood flow increases, so it exerts more force on blood walls, vessel walls. So there will be some changes and hardening etc., that will be called as hypertensive arteriosclerosis. So it is described under three headings. First one is hyaline arteriosclerosis. Second one is hyperplastic arteriosclerosis, and third one is necrotizing arteriolitis, necrotizing arteriolitis. So this hypertensive arteriosclerosis is described under these three headings. But these three types of arteriosclerosis not necessarily only found in hypertension. They may be due to other reasons also, but they are most commonly associated with hypertension. That is why they are described under hypertensive arteriosclerosis. So we will look at these three types one by one. First one is hyaline. Arteriosclerosis. Remember that this is not only due to hypertension, it is due to other causes also, but we will study it under hypertension because it is most commonly associated with hypertension. So first we will look at the name. Why the name given hyaline arteriosclerosis. Hyaline means anything which is glass like, which is translucent, not transparent but translucent, like a glass. Any material that is like a glass and translucent is called as hyaline. So this is the reason that why it is called as hyaline arteriosclerosis, because the material which causes hardening of the artery wall which deposited there has appearance of a glass like appearance. So that is why based on that material it is called as hyaline arteriosclerosis. And its causes it has three main causes. First one is hypertension, as obviously I have told you. Second one is aging. It may be due to normal aging process, not only due to hypertension but may be due to a normal aging process. And third one is diabetes. So these are three causes of hyaline arteriosclerosis. Now coming to what is the source of this, we are continuing in hyaline arteriosclerosis. So the question comes in our mind that what is the source of the hyaline material, where does this hyaline material comes from which causes hardening of the artery. So various hypotheses are proposed. The strongest one is that this hyaline material comes from leakage of what? It comes from leakage of vascular plasma, that is blood plasma. And in blood plasma there are many things, and from there some material leaks and deposited in artery wall, and that hyaline material gives rise to this hyaline arteriosclerosis. So this is the strongest possibility. And second one is immunologic reaction. What is immunologic reaction? Immunologic reaction means our body tends to defend against any foreign particle or any foreign thing. So for if there is any foreign body or foreign thing, or if our body considers some body part as foreign thing, then it will react against it. It will do some defense mechanism, and during this defense mechanism there is formation or build up of that hyaline material in the part of the artery vessel wall, and due to that there is deposition of hyaline material. So this is second theory. And third one is aging. According to this hypothesis, this deposition of hyaline material is a normal part of our aging process. So this is all about hyaline arteriosclerosis. Now we in next lecture we will look at remaining two types of hypertensive arteriosclerosis, that is second one is hyperplastic, and third one is necrotizing. So there are three headings under hypertensive arteriosclerosis: hyaline arteriosclerosis, hyperplastic arteriosclerosis, and necrotizing arteriosclerosis. We have studied about hyaline arteriosclerosis today, and in next lecture we will study about hyperplastic arteriosclerosis and necrotizing arteriosclerosis. Till then, goodbye, thank you, and if anything is not understood, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.